Hey guys, I just got my package in from Blacksmith Tactical for my P320 Sig Sauer X compact. We'll go ahead and open it up for you and see what we got. I decided to go with the mystery color, so let's see what they gave me. Alright. Looks like they went with kind of a desert camo look. I have the ulti clip on there. Pretty stiff, good. I like it. And I also did reach out to them, letting them know I'm a veteran. I work at the VA, so it looks like they sent us a bunch of little swag stickers in here. Pretty cool looking. And that's the other one. And this is, I actually like this one a lot better because I do like the Arizona iced tea design on there. That is pretty cool. Yeah, looks like they just gave me a bunch of those stickers. So appreciate it, guys. Alright, so this is the extra stand height. And let's go see how this fits. Pretty stiff, and it, of course, it's empty. So far, I like how it fits. Not a lot of wiggling room in there. Yeah. Might have to adjust it. It's just coming straight out the bag, but so far not too bad. Probably want to maybe put the little bit of a higher cant on there, but let's go ahead and... Oh, okay, I didn't have it clipped in all the way. Alright. Of course, there's a little play with these jeans, but overall, it's not moving out of position. Pretty smooth going in and out, so I did decide to go with the medium height on the back side so it doesn't stick too far out. But overall, I mean, I'm gonna get to test it out, and I like it so far. All right, well, maybe I'll go ahead and put on another video after doing 30 days or 60 days of testing. Tell me guys what you think. All right.